Let's take another look at box plots. So, first example, the students in Miss Robinson's homeroom measured their heights for their graduation gowns. The data is shown below. So first off, we're just gonna pick out the information. I like to write on here, this is my lower extreme, my Q1, my median, my Q3, my upper extreme. So my lower extreme is at 60, my Q1 is at 65, my median is at 66, my Q3 is at 70, my upper extreme is at 73. What is the interquartile range? Well, we are doing our Q3 of 70 minus our Q1 of 65, which gives us 5. Now we're looking at the ranges. For what range is it the most clustered and spread out? So, remembering clustered, CL, in my opinion, reminds me of CL for closest together versus most spread out. So I'm gonna highlight my 4 ranges. We have the range of my lower extreme to Q1, and I'm matching it up in those 2 problems. Then we have our range, our Q1 to the median, which is right here. Then we have our next one, our median to the Q3. And last, Q3 to the upper extreme. So, you might be able to look at it right away. The clustered, the closest, if we look at this blue one looks like it's the closest. And if we verify the distance, 65 to 66 is a distance of 1. And none of these all have a distance of 1. So it's the most clustered in that blue range, which is the Q1 to the median. Where is it the most spread out? Well, these kind of look similar. I'm going to calculate the distance. From 60 to 65, maybe I can do that in my head. Maybe I plug it into the calculator. Maybe I count. I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check here. From 66 to 70, that's a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4. And from 70 to 73, that's a distance of 1, 2, 3. So where is it the most spread out? 5, 1, 4, or 3. This range of 5, that's our pink range, lower extreme to Q1. Okay, let's do another one. The box plot below shows the height temperatures in Chicago during the month of July. So I'm listing out, we have our lower extreme here. Right here would be our Q1. Right here would be our median. Right here would be Q3. And at the end, that is our upper extreme. So matching up, lower extreme is at 75. Q1 is at 79. Median is at 81. Q3 is at 82. Upper extreme is at 84. What is our interquartile range, our IQR? I'm taking my Q3 of 82 minus my Q1 of 79, which gives me an IQR of 3. Now we're looking at our ranges. Where is it the most clustered, the closest, versus spread out? So our first range is the lower extreme to the Q1. Our next range is the Q1 to the median. Our next range is the median to the Q3. And last but not least, the Q3 to the upper extreme. So the first one is, where is it the most clustered, the closest together? Between these 4, this green one looks the smallest. That is a distance of 1. So that green was our median to the Q3. Where is it the most spread out? To me, it looks like the pink, but let's double check. From 75 to 79, that's a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, from 79 to 81, that's a distance of 1, 2. And here, For the yellow, from 82 to 84, that's a distance of 2. So the longest distance is right here, lower extreme to Q1. Okay, next one. The box plot shows the volunteer service hours performed by students at Warner Middle School. So first off, like I've been doing, I'm going to write my lower extreme, Q1, median, Q3, upper extreme. So my lower extreme is at 12, my Q1 is at 14, my median is at 20, my Q3 is at 23, my upper extreme is at 27. What is that interquartile range? That IQR is our Q3 of 23 minus our Q1 of 14. Do it in your head or plug it into the calculator. We get a distance of 9. Now we're looking at our ranges. Where is it the most clustered? Where is it the most spread out? So our first range, lower extreme to Q1. That second range is the Q1 to the median. Third range is the median to the Q3. And last range, Q3 to the upper extreme. So closest together. To me, not the blue, but I'm going to check each of these. The distance here from 12 to 13 is 1, 2. From 14 to 20 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 20 to 23, 1, 2, 3. From 23 to 27, 1, 2, 3, 4. So either counting like that or subtracting. 14 minus 12 is 2. 20 minus 14 is 6. 23 minus 20 is 3. 27 minus 23 is 4. So what is the smallest? 2, 6, 3, or 4? 2. This range right here, the pink range, lower extreme to Q1. Where is it the most spread out? What's our biggest number? 2, 6, 3, or 4? 6. This range right here, the blue range, Q1 to the median. All right, let's try one more. The box plot shows the average amount of minutes teachers at HMS spend driving to work. So we've got our lower extreme, Q1, median, Q3, upper extreme. So our lower extreme, we don't have it listed here, but 25, 26, 27. For our Q1, we've got 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. For our median, 35, 36, 37, 38. Our Q3 is right at 45. Our upper extreme is right at 50. So our IQR, we're taking our Q3 of 45 minus our Q1 of 29. When I subtract that, I get 16. Now let's look at our ranges. Where is it the most clustered? Where is it the most spread out? So our first range, lower extreme to Q1. Second range, Q1 to median. Third range, median to Q3. Fourth range, Q3 to upper extreme. So clustered, the closest together. To me, it looks like the pink. We've got a distance from 27 to 29. 29 minus 27 is 2. For our next range, we're going from the median of 38 to the Q1 of 29. If I subtract there or count off, I get 9. The next range is our median of 38 to our Q3 of 45. If I subtract there, I get 7. And our last range from 45 to 50 is 5. So where is it the closest? The smallest range is this 2, which is the lower extreme to the Q1. Where is it the most spread out? That largest number right here of 9 is our Q1 to the median.